Every giant tree, every flower, and every crop begins with something so small, a seed. But hidden inside this tiny structure is everything needed to grow a new plant. A seed is a mature fertilized ovule that contains an embryo, young plant, stored food, and a protective seed coat. Under suitable conditions, it germinates to produce a new plant. In this video, we are going to explain the parts of a seed. External and internal parts, both of them will be discussed. Now, let's take a closer look at the outside of a seed. The first and most obvious part is the seed coat. It forms the protective outer covering of the seed and helps protect the delicate embryo from physical damage, drying, and other environmental conditions. Just beneath the seed coat is the tegmen, the inner layer of the seed coat. It provides an additional protective layer around the seed. Next is the hilum. It appears as a small scar or mark on the seed coat and represents the point where the seed was attached to the fruit or ovary wall through the funicle. Close to the hilum is the micropyle, a tiny opening in the seed coat. It allows water and gases to enter the seed and also provides a passage through which the radicle may emerge during germination. Some seeds also have a structure called the raphe. It is a ridge or raised line formed where the funicle becomes fused with the seed coat during seed development. Now, let's look inside the seed and explore its internal parts. The cotyledon, also called the seed leaf, is an important part of the embryo. In many seeds, it stores or absorbs nutrients that support the developing seedling. At one end of the embryo is the plumule, the embryonic shoot. It develops into the young stem and leaves of the plant. The region of the embryonic axis below the plumule is called the epicotyl. During germination, it contributes to the development of the young shoot. Below the cotyledons is the hypocotyl, the part of the embryonic axis that connects the cotyledons with the radicle. Finally, at the lower end is the radicle, the embryonic root. It is usually the first part of the embryo to emerge during germination and develops into the primary root. Together, these structures form the embryo and contain the basic beginning of a new plant.
Thanks for watching. Stay with Nature by Leaflore. Subscribe for more.